have a look today at some of the tools that you can find inside Kurzweil. So I'm going to open the program. Let's get started with a quick peek at some of the tools in the Kurzweil toolbars. In the main toolbar, we have the read button, which also works as a pause.
Privately to himself. I am Buffalo Bills.
We have a back and forward buttons, which allows you to navigate through your text. Definition and synonym buttons are your built-in dictionary and thesaurus. Check this out. I'm going to choose a word such as under, and I'm going to hit synonym. And there's my synonym for under. Kurzweil will read that to you as well if you like. You hit the read.
Under.
Okay. The audible button silences the voices, but allows Kurzweil to highlight the text for you. Great if you're reading to the class, or for someone who just needs the visual prompt. So let's close that one up. The next is our yellow toolbar, which I'm going to open just by clicking on the flat yellow bar. You can change your speaker here, but really VW Paul and VW Julie are the most realistic voices. Over here is your reading mode, and it lets the user decide who will choose when the program pauses. Is it going to be continuous, the computer's going to just go beginning to end, or self-paced? Okay. The reading unit gives you control over exactly when Kurzweil pauses, whether it's going to be at the end of every sentence or every paragraph or whatever. Your reading speed is adjusted here. We usually say around 115 to 120 to start and let the student pick a speed that's great for them. These over here are your controls for changing your pages. Page up, page down, first page. Then we have the study skills toolbar, which is our green toolbar. On the bar are an eraser and a set of highlighters. You can use them to highlight information in the text by clicking on them and clicking and dragging over what it is you'd like to highlight. And of course you have your eraser tool, which can erase the information. You can find most of the notes we'll be talking about later on right here in the study skills toolbar. Your footnote, sticky note, text note, voice note, and column notes are the ones we will be focusing on in that toolbar. Finally, we have the writing toolbar that provides controls for Kurzweil's writing and brainstorming functions. For that to become fully functional, you have to have a new blank document to actually do some writing in. You have standard word processing tools here, okay, plus your brainstorm view, your outline view, split screen, which would become available once you started some work, draft, spell check, and word prediction. That's pretty much it for what's inside the toolbars. We'll go into more detail about how to use all these pieces a little bit later on.
That's it for your toolbar tour.